at what IT is up to, and once again, you're seeing a slump there. Wipro, Techem, these are all stocks which are under pressure. Want to bring up the likes of Infosys as well, which is also down by about 1.25%. There's TCS too, which is down over 1% as we speak right now. Shibani, what's the sense that you're getting about how IT earnings are going to pan out this time?
Yeah, so typically, if you look at the quarter three is usually a muted quarter. Primarily, this is a quarter where you see a significant number of furloughs as well as holidays, which impact overall growth. And that's something that we have to keep in mind when we look at the quarter. I think what will be important will be one commentary in terms of demand, especially in large verticals such as BFSI, high tech, and the like. What we've also seen in terms of data points, banking as a segment, especially where North America banks are concerned, is starting to see some improvement as far as discretionary demand is concerned. However, this is still fairly early days. However, Europe continues to struggle, and Europe still forms fairly large part of the revenue pool, and therefore that is something that we'll have to wait and watch for. Where IT is concerned, we do believe that incrementally growth should start to recover, especially given that macro data in the US seems to suggest that growth is holding on. And we have now started seeing the rate cut cycle as well start. However, as I said, the key also will be to see how the rest of the world and North America pans out in terms of demand. Overall, if you look at the sector, structurally, with the adoption of Gen AI, there is a huge opportunity for growth that should play through over the next couple of years. However, one must also remember that if you look at long-term growth rates where IT is concerned, high single-digit growth in terms of revenue is something that one should possibly look at, rather than extrapolating the kind of mid-teens growth that you saw post-COVID, where there was significant uptick as far as discretionary demand is concerned. Now, if you look at the sector in pockets, valuations, especially where some of the larger IT names are concerned, are fairly in line with where market valuations are. And therefore, we continue to be positive on the sector as a whole. However, as I said, this quarter, one should watch out for commentary in terms of deal flow as well as expectations going forward. The rupee depreciation will help in terms of margins, and therefore margins should remain largely stable. That is what one would possibly look for in this particular quarter for IT.
The expectations from IT and how you should position yourself on it, Shiva.